Yeah, gee, we found it. We found it, buddy. Right down in there. You see it? Absolutely our leaker. Right? Absolutely our leaker down here. So, how do we remedy that? Well, we get ourselves a couple of tools, including an O-ring pick, and we pull the distributor out. And then we get ourselves one of these little guys. Right? And then we're going to have to pick off this O-ring right here, which is now flattened, probably caked hard with age and heat. And it's probably going to be so brittle that when I go to pick it out, well, let's see. It's not exactly easy to pick out in this position, but I'll give it the old Trooper Chai. And I'm willing to bet that it's just going to break while I'm picking it out, because they're usually so brittle. Oh, it is a toughie. It is a toughie. Alright, well, I'm going to put the camera down, but you get the point. And of course, mark your relationship before you pull your distributor so that you get it back in exactly the right spot. You're going to have to twist those gears in on an angle. And yeah, a new O-ring, a couple of bucks, no big deal. The oil leak it causes, liters and liters worth. Anyways, whoa, yeah, rubber side down, troopers.